Guys, I'm back with a brand new video. So in this video, my part is to program a single product view page. So in my previous video, I showed you how to design it. So this is our design. You can see it, and I had some hard-coded products in my relative item space, and also all of these are hard-coded in my previous videos. And also this product title is also hard-coded, and we have no images in my previous video because we are only do the design. And now I programmed my single product view page. So let's see how it works. And I briefly show you about my program. We are going to our home page, and we select some product. I select this product, and I click buy now. Now you can see the web page head is changing, so it changes our product title, and also you can see this our product title space is changing also, and you can see our price is changing, and it automatically added acting price and discount. So we are giving a 5% of discount for every product. And also you can see we get our product table items to this relative item, and you can see now there's a product description, it's also changing. So we are selecting Xbox, and our description is changing. So now I'm going to show them. Now we can get our image to main image area, and if I show you something, we get this product, and this product has two images, so we can get these two images on main area and see how is our product. So let's go to explain this program. So we are going to our coding area, and now you can see there's a bunch of search queries and variables. We can explain all of these. So first I want to require my connection class, so I get connection.php file to this file, and I want to check if some products are selected. So I want to check with that ESET function, and if some product is selected, I want to get that I want to get that product to my server side using this ESET function with this get posting method. And also there's an ID, we get that ID and assign this to $PID. And we want to make that search query because it is the main search query in our single product view page, and we want to join every tables of our database. So we are using inner join for that. We also need that on keyword with inner join keyword. I first get my product table, so I get product table and get product table ID and product table price, quantity, description, title, and date, time added, delivery fee, always also there. And second I get foreign keys, category ID, model has brand ID, color ID, condition ID, like that. And now I want to join my model table to this query, and model table we have name column, and I get that column as a M name, so I use this as keyword, and get my brand table here. We are getting name column, and I want to name it as a B name. So I want to get product table from product table all of these things, and join it with model has brand table and get their columns. And I also wanted to join with brand table using this inner join, and get that columns. You can see I get ID and model has brand ID, and I want to inner join to model table and get model tables column for that. And also I assign all of these with $PID with product.id column. And this is the brief explanation of our main search query in single product view page. I assign this whole query to this product result set, and now I made that product number variable and assign it to product result set and check num rows instruction. And if our variable is assigned into 1, we want to process our whole single product view page process. So I made that $product data because I want to get my title, description, images, my prices, quantities with using this $product data variable. So I assign it to $product result set variable, and I make some connection with fetch as of option because I need to get some item if they are existing in our database. We can get it with this fetch as of function. So this is our design. So we are going along with it, and now we can have our program in this 52 line. So I get the PHP scriptlet tag and start my program. So I made the image result set, and I want to search some image from my image table, assign that to $image result variable, and make image number variable, and check the interaction between image result variable and num rows, and make that image variable and get the array function. And I need to make that for loop, and we get this li class. I mean these boxes. I made these boxes inside the listed tags. So I get that listed tag, and now I wanted to give this PHP program inside my source code. So we have this image source attribute, so I want to give this program inside the double quotes. So now you can see I get this image variable which I made in this area. So I get that, and there's a $x index arrays, and also I made a ID in this area, and also I made a ID in this tag. So you can see it's a brand new ID. So my ID name is product image, and now I need to get my PHP program into the ID also, and make that on click attribute, and assign it to load main image command, and give this our PHP program also inside the brackets. We can also explain about this command in our script.js file. Also get else here. If this process not happened, we are coming to this else lines, and we have empty SVG files. So in my previous video I show you how we can see our empty SVGs. So we have kind of camera icon in our empty images. So when we don't add some product to add the image to product, we can see this empty SVG image. So I get that things inside the else bracket. So I cut and paste my previously hard coded these 3 lines inside the else statement, and also get that else statement ending curly bracket into the PHP scriptlet text. And this is our design, and I get this PHP scriptlet tag because I don't need to hard code my product title anymore, and also get my title also for this, get my product title for this. And now we want to make our pricing area. So in my previous video we hard code this pricing area. So now you can see this is 4 lakhs, and our active price is 4 lakhs and 20,000, but we give a 20,000 of discount for this mobile phone. So this is changing when we selecting another product. We are selecting this PlayStation 5 console, so I click this buy now, and you can see that it's a 2 lakhs console. So active price is 2 lakhs and 10,000, so I give a 10,000 of discount for this product. Now it's changing. So how we do that is a kind of maths part. So I give this dollar price variable and product data variable. We made that variable on above, and get price column from my database, and there's an adding price variable here. I want to get my price variable and divide it by 100 because I need to get a percentage here, and I multiply it with this 5 value because I want to give a 5% of discount, and get a new price variable here, and I need to addition this price variable and adding price variable because we want to make a active price. So I get that adding price variable. This is adding price variable 10,000, and this is our price variable. So I want to add this variable, add those 2 variables, and make our active price. And we are making our percentage. So I get that percentage variable here, and I want to see what's the difference between this new price and price. So I get that difference variable and divide it by price variable and multiply it with 100 value. So then I can make a percentage and show it in there. So we have 5% discount for every product, and you can also see this stand a chance to get 5% of discount by using Visa or Master. Alright guys, that is the way I made my price table, and I get my price table variables inside the span text, because now we don't need to hard code our price. Now our PHP algorithm make our prices and do that process with this PHP scripted tag and these variables. And also I get that quantity amount using this product data variable, and I get my first name and last name using session data. And now we have a special function on this page. So we have 10 item available with PlayStation 5 console. So we have only 10 items, so I can't minimize my quantity above this 1 value. So when we are minimizing it, we have this quantity must be 1 or more, and I can't decrease that quantity because we should have to order at least 1 quantity, and I can't decrease this product about 10 items. So I'm going to increase my quantity about 10. So I give this 11, and now you can see maximum quantity achieved. This alert is coming, and we are okay. This alerts we can have our product quantity in this quantity input field. So, and I show you this, we have this thing and we selecting this, and we have 100 items with this backlight. So I'm searching 110, and we have maximum quantity achieved, and we okay this select, we have this, we can have exact items available in our eShop in this input field. And this function may be JavaScript. So I give this quantity increase command inside the onClick attribute, and also I give this quantity decrease command inside the onClick attribute. So now let's see what's happened in our script. Before we go to JavaScript, I want to show you some programs in my related item space. So we already programmed this page, and now we are coming to this page. We can have our product table items in this related item area. So this page is also responsive. I want to show you that. So you can see this, and this is also responsive. And I want to select from my product table. You know what is this query? This query is also familiar to us. This is our common query. So I get common query assigned to $query result $query variable, and get this variable, and we want to get our main searching query to all of our programs. So I get that query to my database search query. I want to get database images using this product image result set variable. I get that image and give the image code inside the source attribute. Now you can see it. I highlight that, and I come into this line. We have this $selected data. We can get our title, description, quantity, product name, product ID, everything with this $selected data variable. So I get my quantity with this $selected data variable. You can see it, and I get $selected data variable with ID, and redirect my buy now button to single product view page also. And if we don't have some products, that is if our some products are out of stock, we can have like this. Our buttons are disabled, so we can't do anything with that buttons, disable buttons. And I also get my product prices using this selected data variable, and I also get my description and program it using this $product data. I get description. I get my product description to there. So now you can see we are selecting this Xbox, and you can see this product description, used console and not fully functional, and we are selecting another brand. You can see it's different, used item that has been used previously. Product item, change our description and our product title, and also our web page head, and also it change our pricing spans, it change our pricing area, and also we can select quantity, and we have in stock item here I display it, and we have 30 items here. So we are searching 31. We can't search 31, so maximum quantity achieved. Alright guys, that's the program. So we are going to our JavaScript file really quick, and you can see there's load main image function here. We made that function in the single product view page. So I want to get that image variable and main variable. Main variable means we want to get our main image. Main image means this image. So now you can see this is space area. So I want to get that image like this. So now, and we can also get that image to there. So in this load image function, I made that process with this function. So we can change our images, and we can get our product images to our main image using this function. And also we have this check value function. If my input value is lower than or equal 0, lower than or equal 0, we have this alert, and it change value to 1. And our input value is more than our quantity value, it change our quantity value and alert this maximum quantity achieved alert. And we want to change our alerts in our input field, and we are coming to this quantity increase function. We want to use these buttons to increase our quantity. Now you can see I can decrease these items, and I can also increase this item with this up and down buttons. So I program this up and down button like this. So this is quantity increasing function. So I can increase my quantity using this function, and when we are reaching our maximum quantity, we have this alert, and our page refreshed, and it changes quantity, maximum quantity value. And we can decrease our quantity also using this function, but we can't decrease our quantity below 0 value. If we do that, we can have this alert, and it change our value to 1. And I do this with this function. I do that process. So alright guys, I also talk about all of the things there. So in my next video I'm going to show you how I design my watch list page. So I show you that this is my wish list page. So we have some hard coded products here. I want to change them, and first of all we are talking about how our wish list page is designing. So in that process we have to make some change in our database, and we want to synchronize it again. Alright guys, in my next video let's see that. Now I'm stopping my video, I'm winding up. So thank you guys staying with me at the end of the video. I see you around in my next video. Peace.